there is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 8.8, which is the fabulous. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Room category 1. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Category 2. Room category 3. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are new on the channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, we meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.